This is Bob, and Bob has a big dream. He wants to build a 40 by 60 post frame shop where he can park his trucks, store his farm equipment, and keep other valuables safe. Bob wants to save money, so he decides to take matters into his own hands and build it himself. He believes that with help from family and friends, he can remove the high cost of a contractor and make his dream happen on a budget. Sounds great, right? But there's a problem. Even though Bob's pumped for this project and has a makeshift crew ready to lend a hand, there are still a few big hurdles. First, there are permits. Where does he even start with those? Because it can be quite complicated. Then he'll need solid plans. That means a blueprint to make sure everything comes together because, you can't just wing it. Professional grade materials and tools are also essential. And finally, the technical knowledge. Let's face it, enthusiasm alone won't build a sturdy structure. Now that's where we step in. At Premium Built Structures, our supply and support package is tailor-made for people like Bob. We help you take charge of your build while giving you the expert support you need to make it happen. Here's how it works. We support you from start to finish. Helping with permits, training, troubleshooting, you name it, we're here to guide you. We provide only the highest quality materials such as posts, trusses, metal cladding, and insulation. We will even pre-cut and mark your lumber so it's ready to go when it hits the job site. We offer continuous expert advice and provide access to the equipment and tool packages you need to build with confidence. With our supply and support package, Bob can get back to focusing on his dream of building his shop, knowing we're here to guide him every step of the way. So if you are like Bob and you're ready to bring your dream build to life, visit our website or scan the QR code to book a free consultation. We are Premium Built Structures, and we make your dream build a reality.